Welcome to my
Thank
channel.
you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Greetings of the day.
Oh, thank you. Very good. Tell me, how are you? Where are you from?
Ma'am, I am supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Oh, super. Where are you from?
Ma'am, I am from Uttar Pradesh, Meerut.
Meerut. Okay. So, how long
Yeah,
have you
ma'am.
been practicing this word, this long word?
Ma'am, I learned it yesterday only.
Okay. Are you interested in speaking English?
Yeah, ma'am, I love speaking English.
You love
It's a
it.
type of my language.
Okay. Is it a holiday today?
Ma'am, actually, my summer vacations are still going.
Okay. Got it. Got it. It was
Yes,
over
ma'am.
here. Here in May and June. April last and May we have summer holidays.
Yeah, ma'am. Some children in Meerut also, their summer vacations are over. But in our school, my summer vacations are going to end on 1st July.
First July. Okay. So
Yes,
up to next week you have holidays.
yes, ma'am.
Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm enjoying my holidays by learning new things.
Wow, super. So I would like to know about Arpita. Could you please introduce yourself
Sure,
about
ma'am.
your
Ma'am, knowing about
hobbies?
yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, knowing about myself, as you know, my name is Arpita Tyagi, and I'm a 8th grade student of Chirag Grammar School. And this year, I will be burning 13th candle of my birthday and talking about my hobbies. I love dancing, and cooking is one about my passion. I also do crochet, painting, and I am good at drawing. I can say that.
Okay, you wear multiple hats, Arpita. You are excellent in so many things. I
Thank
really
you.
admire you a lot. You're so talented.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
Ma'am, my hobbies are dancing, cooking, and like I also like roller skating.
Okay. Skating.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How long have you been learning skating?
Ma'am, I'm skating from the last year.
From the last year. So you have
Yes.
that interest in cooking. Or
Yeah, ma'am.
what is your favorite dish when it comes to eating, when it comes to cooking?
Ma'am, in cooking, I love to cook. Like I know how to cook fast food, and in healthy food, I know how to cook alus parathas or normal chapatis. I know how to cook them.
Okay, fine. Good, good. What do you do when you find some time?
Ma'am, when I find some free time, I usually play with my sister or I spend time in talking with my family, discussing how was my day today. And also, I sometimes do skating or do painting. I was saying that I also do some painting, like I also do some puzzle solving types and reading books.
Okay, puzzle solving, uh, like by using toys or Sudoku something?
It's like toys in the cube
Toys,
type.
cube type. So you know to solve cubes
Yes, ma'am, a little bit.
a little bit. Oh, three
Yeah,
bar
ma'am.
three cube. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you are using your time in a productive way. You are not wasting your time, right? It's so talent.
Yes.
It's really rare to see such kind of a student.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good,
Your
very
words
good.
are really your words are really motivating me.
Okay. So don't you watch any TV or films, movies when you find time?
Ma'am, when I find time, I watch English movies because English movies are one of the best way in learning English. Because when we
Okay.
listen, then we are able to speak also.
Okay. But it is in
So I watch,
accent, in foreign accent, right? So how do you understand? Are you able to
ma'am, they
understand?
are yes, ma'am, they are easy to understand, like Harry Potter.
Okay. Very good. You are interested in watching movies, right? Hollywood
Yes, ma'am,
movies.
also the Also the Disney movies, the Frozen movies, like
Okay,
a Rapunzel.
super. Good, good. What is your favorite movie? Hollywood
Ma'am,
movie?
my favorite movie was, ma'am, it was Rapunzel because it was beautiful when I watched it. The editing in that, even the Rapunzel character was so beautiful, and
Okay.
I love.
Okay, here my children and my neighbor children are watching Elsa. Now in downstairs they are watching. So I asked them to watch something so that they will not disturb me. So they are watching Elsa Frozen, right? Frozen Night. And
Yeah,
also
ma'am.
cartoon, some Tom and Jerry cartoon.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, do you have any questions for me?
Yes, ma'am, sure. Ma'am, I'm asking, do you think today's artificial intelligence is helping children to learn more for their future?
Okay. Yes, of course, it is helping the children to learn, but I should say that they should not completely depend on artificial intelligence. They should have their
Yes,
own thoughts. In order to check, they can refer, they can go for that, but you cannot completely depend on artificial intelligence. See, everything is up to us how we are handling it. So it has both positive and some drawbacks as well.
yes, ma'am.
What about your point?
Ma'am, as I notice, you hit the nail on the head. According to me, our thing has both negative and positive both ways. So, just as you said, if some children are using artificial intelligence for their benefits in English conversation, studies, general knowledge, and etc., so it is helping them. But if children are not using it properly, if they are wasting their time on watching useless videos, reels, so that is not good.
Okay, superb, superb. How do you get this type of mindset, this type of perspective, even in your this age? Now you are in eighth standard, but your views are really way more than a student. How do you get all these insights, profound knowledge?
Ma'am, actually, my family has a background of education. As
Okay.
my parents are very educated, they give me a mindset of
Mm,
learning. My
fantastic.
future plans are to become a IAS, and for IAS, I have to prepare a lot from my
Superb.
childhood onwards.
Yes, I can see. I can see Arpita IAS even from now. Yes, it is shown in your face itself. You are going to be IAS soon. After completing your education, you please work towards it. And from that map itself, I can understand your passion, your love towards the job.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's all. Or else, do you have any other questions?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
That's all. Or do you have any other questions for me?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the biggest failure you faced at your success?
Could you
As you
please
are
repeat?
successful now.
Could you please repeat?
Ma'am, what are the failures you faced at your success journey as you are successful now?
Okay. So
So, what failures?
failures.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm. See, I also had some failures, but I did not consider that as a failure. I considered that as my stepping stones to move forward.
Yes, ma'am.
If I were a
Learning.
banker now, I wouldn't have started my channel. I wouldn't have um, given importance for my speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
So I was thinking in that manner. See, I got a dream job, but in order to save my family responsibility, I left my job. So I was in that way. I was melancholic. But after days now, I have been thinking, see, it is a next step. It is my stepping stone. So I consider that I have transformed as a resilient person. So I don't have any failures now. I am okay to see everything as a stepping stone. See, failure is
Yes,
nothing but a lesson. But
learning
you are
lesson.
is learning lesson. You have learned something from your failure. Don't consider that as a failure. You have learned something. So that's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about you?
Ma'am, I just as you said that only, I think failures are just they help us to learn more. If we
Correct.
don't fail in life, then we are not able to learn new things. So,
Correct.
from my age, failures are like getting less marks in exams or not able to speak in a conversation area. So, they are failures from my side, not
Okay.
as failures,
Correct.
but as a learning point.
True. 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 Very good,
Ma'am,
Arpita.
I know
Yes.
I'm still learning the ropes, but I believe practice makes a man perfect.
Correct. Again, you hit the nail on the head.
Ma'am.
Okay. So now can you distinguish between a success and a failure?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Ma'am, success. If we talk about success, so success only comes from failure. If we don't fail in life, then we cannot achieve success. Because
Yes.
when we fail, we get to know that what happened, why we fail, what are the things that happened this time that we have to not repeat the next time. And like that only success come. In the journey of success, a step is of failure.
Perfect. Perfect. True. True, Arpita. And failure is
Yes, ma'am.
nothing but a lesson.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
And you will come to know what is meant by success and failure when you try something. Without trying,
Yes,
if you keep quiet, then you cannot achieve anything. So you should be able to
yes,
try something, only then you will understand the taste of success.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so what advice would you give to the students like me?
See, come. She's my elder one. She's also 8th
Okay,
standard.
ma'am.
Her
Can you
name is
please tell me
Arpita.
your good name?
No, see.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also good. Can you tell me your good name, please?
My name is Tarashri.
Okay, nice to meet you. I'm
Thank you.
Arpita.
Thank you. And your
In
name
which
also
class do you
split.
study?
I'm also 8th.
Okay, so we are like classmates,
Yes.
friends. So nice to meet you.
Thank you. And I'm same too.
Where are you from?
I'm coming from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu.
Okay, I'm from Meerut.
Okay.
So are you also passionate about learning English?
Yes.
Okay. Which is your favorite subject?
Max. Your favorite
Uh,
subject?
Mine is English.
Okay.
Actually, I love English.
Okay.
But my father is a mathematics lecturer.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Hi, Arpita.
You are so cute.
Yes, like you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Arpita, what's your next question?
Ma'am, do you think success come from talent or from hard work?
Hard work.
Yes,
Hard
ma'am.
work. If you are talented, also you need to put a lot of work, lot of hard work. Is only then you can taste success. I believe in hard work, not in talent.
Yes, ma'am. If we don't do hard work, talent is nothing without hard work. If we just
Yes,
sit on bed and waste our time,
correct.
thinking that we have a lot of talent and we can do everything, that talent is waste.
Correct, correct. See, you are
Ma'am.
talented in something or the other, but for that, in order to bring that out, you need to put some effort. Some are born talented, some have that innate talent. As a painter or a doctor, even doctor, they are very talented person, but they have to study a lot. They have to put hard work. Only then they can be a doctor like that.
Yes.
In every field we have to put some hard work.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I forgot to ask your name. Can you tell me a good name,
Oh,
please?
yes. My name is Mahalakshmi and I am from Tamil Nadu,
Yeah,
Coimbatore.
yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Do you
I
need
have.
my introduction about me?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Yes. Uh, my name is Mahalakshmi. I'm from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I have two daughters.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh,
Yeah, ma'am.
and I have a younger daughter. She's in first standard now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, she is just like my younger sister. I also
Okay.
have a younger sister.
Is she in first standard?
No, ma'am, she is in sixth.
Sixth. Got it.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. My
Ma'am, do
elder
you
one
have
is
any?
an introvert. My younger one is an extrovert. They are completely opposite.
Yes, ma'am, just like us.
Okay. Are you an introvert or extrovert?
Ma'am, I am an introvert also and an extrovert also.
Okay. So
Both.
ambivert.
Yeah, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. Okay, Arpita.
Ma'am, do you have any question for me?
Okay. After this session, what is your plan? And what are you going to do with these remaining days?
Ma'am, as only 3-4 days are left, so I will focus on completing my holiday homework, like a
Okay.
science project of an electromagnet, making an
Mm-hmm.
electromagnet. I'll focus on that, and I will also focus on learning because after my schools are going to reopen, my exams are going to start, and I have
Okay.
to score more good marks.
Okay. So, do you have reading habit? Do you like to read books?
Yes, ma'am, I love reading books, both
Okay.
of English and Hindi, but more of English
Okay.
because they are very interesting.
Okay. So, could you please tell me the book's name you have read so far?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have read Daddy's Long Leg and Gulliver's Travel and Treasure Island, many more like that. I
Mm-hmm.
love reading fairy tales book also.
Which one? Fairy tales. Got it.
Yes, ma'am.
What about Harry Potter?
Yeah, ma'am. I have watched it movie, but not I have
Movie.
read book. I
Okay.
watched it movie.
I also love reading books. I am a
Yes,
bibliophile.
ma'am.
I love books. I want to be with books always.
Yes, ma'am. Reading books is really interesting. They help us
Correct.
to increase our knowledge.
Correct. Correct.
When we read the books, as a student, when I read the books, I get to know what is in the chapter without I struggle in the question answers, without
Correct.
struggling in the question answers.
Yes. So
Yes,
while reading for your academic, how do you read? By question and answer, or you read the whole lesson and then you answer by your own?
ma'am, I read the whole answer and then I answer by my own.
By your
Because
own.
when I read the yeah, ma'am. When I read the chapter, I get to know that what is in the chapter, what are the key points, how can I make my own answers like
Okay.
that.
Okay. Are you interested in
Yes,
writing
ma'am.
as well?
Yes, ma'am. Like I practice my handwriting also. And with writing, we get to know where we are making mistake. We
Correct.
just when we answer orally, we don't get where we are making mistakes. When we write, we get to know.
Yes. You
As an
are.
exam, we have to write.
Yes, you are so
Yes, ma'am.
practical. You know everything, and I really admire and I really appreciate you for your thoughts. Because
Thank you,
nowadays
ma'am.
students are not ready to write or read something. Whenever we say that read the whole lesson, they are not ready. It's okay enough to read the question answers. Enough. I don't want to read the whole book, but you are other way around. You are very interested in reading books, stories, and all. It's really very good habit.
Thank you, ma'am, for your appreciation.
Yes. Have you ever participated in elocution and all in your school
Ma'am, in a debate type.
debate type? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
in my class, in my school, a session was different sessions were assembled, like
Okay.
of dance, debate, and science. So I take participate in debate, and in each Saturday we
Okay.
get 4 periods for each sessions,
Mm.
and then I do debate practice.
Okay. Okay.
So in that, a box was kept, and some topics were kept in that. We have to pick one topic and speak on it.
Okay. Then with whom you practice? with your peers, with your students?
Ma'am, at school, I practiced with my classmates, which were in debate, and from different classes. Like
Okay.
from when I was in seventh, from eighth graders, from sixth graders, like that. And when I'm at home with my parents, with my sister, like that, I
Okay.
practice.
Okay.
And the best way of practicing is to stand before a mirror and speak from ourselves.
Correct. So where do you get all the information for debate? See, consider that you are getting a topic. So how do
Yes,
you
ma'am.
speak on that particular topic? Where do you get the idea, information about that particular topic?
Ma'am, like I get a topic suddenly. So
Okay.
within seconds, I used to think about it.
Mm.
And after thinking from it, if I think only one sentence also, when I speak one sentence, the another sentence pop into my mind. The cloud for the
Okay.
another sentence pop into, and I used to speak like that only. And from that only, I practiced.
Yes. And you also can get points from others. When others are
Yes, ma'am.
stating their statement, when others are giving their speech, you can even get points, some notes from
Yes,
others, and you can note down and you can tell in your point of view.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That's also nice. That's the power of listening.
Yes, that's the power of listening. Very good. Got it.
How can a student balance his hobbies, his studies, and English practicing also? How can a
Okay.
student balance?
Okay. Very good question, Arpita. Really, it's a wonderful question. See, I consider that we should not force anyone to take a hobby, to
Yeah.
learn something. See, if you are an introvert, I should not force you to be an extrovert. I should understand your feelings. The same applies
Yes, ma'am.
here also. If you are not interested in reading, you can do some other thing, listening or something. But when you manage your time properly, then you can balance everything. uh, Make sure that your hobbies are going to lift you. It should not deviate you. It should not hold you back from your desire. You choose
Yeah, ma'am.
hobbies like that, and education is compulsory. It is indispensable. We cannot avoid that. So give your 100% attention to your education. Then when you find time, you can relax for some times, and at the same time, you have to improve your skill. Only then you can survive in this world. So I
Yes,
cannot
ma'am.
say that it is a competitive world. You have to come first in everything. No, not like that. But you should sharpen your skill. That's all.
Yes, ma'am. Correct the point.
Yes. So what about
Thank you,
you?
ma'am, for your
How?
answer.
Yes. What about you? How can you answer for this question? How do you handle? Already you are concentrating on everything. So how do you handle your time?
So, ma'am, like that, I wake up early in the morning, and
Okay.
like my hobby is like skating. First, when
Mm,
I talk about my hobby, skating. So I
okay.
go to a nearby park and do skating on
Okay.
that
Okay.
time. And when I come back, then I have my breakfast and I take a rest for some time. I
Okay.
have my breakfast, talk with my family, and do all that hobbies.
Okay.
Then I do some dance, and
Mm,
after that, cook food.
mm,
And after that, I concentrate on my studies.
mm.
So when I concentrate on my studies, my another thing is also completed. Like this, I
Correct.
manage my time. And at the night, I do my speaking practice. Whenever I feel that I have nothing to do right now, we can do speaking practice anytime.
Correct.
If we
Correct.
get 1 to 2 hours also, that is also
Correct.
sufficient.
Correct. So don't you watch TV or mobile scrolling now? Children are very fond of scrolling, binge watching. They are actually, what kind of person you are?
Mom, I also like to watch TV and phones, but for a limited time. Like if I
Correct.
get 1 hour in a day, so I watch it for 1 hour, maximum 1 hour or half an hour, but only when I get time. So sometime I watch some educational videos and sometime of my taste.
Very good. Very good, Arpita. I can clap for you for this insights, for this wonderful speech. I'm very good. That's all from your end. Do you have any other question?
Ma'am, you know how to speak Hindi?
No, I don't know how to speak Hindi. I can understand up to some extent. I know to read,
Okay.
I know to write, but I don't know the meaning, exact meaning. That's all. After next year, I have a plan of learning this language, this Hindi language. This year, I have decided to give importance only for my channel and for this English speaking.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, how many languages do you know?
Ma'am, I know little bit Sanskrit and I
Okay.
know Hindi and English.
English.
Like Sanskrit is in my syllabus, so
Hmm.
that's why Sanskrit.
Got it.
Otherwise, English. Now I am practicing different speaking skills of English, like different. I'm practicing how Japanese speak English, how Chinese speak English, how foreign country, different Asians.
Correct, correct. Super, fantastic. What is your mother tongue?
Ma'am, my mother tongue is Hindi.
Hindi. Got it.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sanskrit is in your syllabus.
Yes, ma'am. In my school, Sanskrit is like a subject, so that's why I
Subject.
know little words.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Do you know to write Sanskrit?
Ma'am, a little bit
Little bit.
because
Okay.
Sanskrit has come in my syllabus from class 6th only. I
Mm.
need some practice on that subject.
So are you in KV, Kendriya Vidyalaya?
No, ma'am, I'm in Chirag Grammar School.
Okay.
It's an ICSE school, English medium.
Okay. I like to learn languages and I like to see the scripts of the language.
Yes,
Whenever
ma'am.
I travel somewhere, I always to some other state, I always wonder about the letter formation in Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam.
Yes,
I have a thought of what could be the meaning of these words. So I
yes,
have that habit. I like languages. Yes.
yeah, ma'am. I also like learning new languages.
Very good. Superb. So try to learn some languages. It is going to help you in your life as well.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, can you give me advice for my English speaking?
You are
What
very,
can I do?
yes, you are really wonderful. You have that gift of the gap. You are very good in your speech, and you are already in a top notch level. On top of that,
Thank you, ma'am.
is you just no need to worry about anything. You are giving passes in between. You know how to respond others. You are listening in a perfect way. You are not giving your opinion when someone is speaking. You are listening. You are keeping yourself calm, quiet, and when it comes to your turn, you are giving your shot, your answer in a proper way, in a proper sentence. Everything is fine, fantastic. Uh, you please keep the same thing. You no need to do any extra work. I would suggest you to only one thing: read books, expand your horizon. That's all.
Yes,
When you read different books like science book, science fiction, science book, some history books, you can extend your horizon, you can rise the bar. So I would suggest
yes.
you to follow that alone. Everything is picture perfect, everything is perfect, fantabulous.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. I'm so happy and so I'm on top of the world after meeting you. I did not expect this. See, I thought, okay, someone is going to come and, but you are so talented.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm also on my cloud nine after meeting you as your super English conversation, as your English conversation skills are very nice. I
Oh,
just
thank you.
enjoyed the session.
Thank you. Thank you. Have you watched any of my videos previously? How did you come to know about me?
Ma'am, I watched your videos. I was just scrolling that what can I do? How can I learn English? So I watched your video and I get to know that you are doing sessions. Then I take your ID and I just send a request for you.
Yes. Superb, Arpita. I'm so blessed and yeah, really so wonderful. You made my day. Is thank you so much. I really love to say thank you for your time. You are already so busy, occupied. So happy.
Ma'am, as you are my teacher type, so I am also so lucky that I conducted a class with you and thank you so much for your prestigious time.
Okay, Arpita. I would like to have another conversation with you after some time when you are free. On Saturday or Sunday, when you have time, we'll have another
Sure,
conversation. Okay.
sure, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am, I would
happy.
be free on any time. You can tell me.
So when your school is when you have gone to your school, how can we have our conversation? It is not possible in that time, right?
Ma'am, we can have it on Sunday.
Yes, on Saturday,
Sundays are off.
Sunday. Yes,
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am,
fine.
we can have it.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am, for
Take
giving.
care. Keep learning.
Okay,
Keep achieving, and
thank
my
you, ma'am.
best wishes for your job, for your is achievement.
Okay, ma'am, your session was amazing.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Arpita. Thank you.